Howdy, folks. I'm fully getting on the New York City Metropolitan Transit Authority subway with this sweater. Please. Hi, I just got ready. It's 6:21 p.m. right now. I am getting ready to go over to Anna's new apartment. We're gonna have a little housewarming slash holiday slash game night with the pals, so I'm very excited. I was under the impression that everyone was wearing ugly sweaters, but I think it might only just be me and Anna. So I went out and bought this at the thrift store literally today, but I kind of feel like it slays either way. But I am gonna get on the subway with this, and I don't know how I feel about that. I'm wearing this with some yoga pants and just my Air Forces. Wow, my apartment's an absolute disaster. It's so funny because I just cleaned it like yesterday. I just finished packing up all my stuff. Well, I have frozen mini pizzas in here that they're definitely very much de-thawed now. I don't really know how that's gonna work. I got some housewarming things I got for Anna. I have my Clue game that I'm bringing. I'm gonna put this vlog camera in here. I have my film camera in here. So, we're good to go. I just wanted to start this little vlog and say hello. I'm really excited to see Anna's new place. I did look and it says that it's gonna take like 45 minutes on the subway to get there. It's like an hour Uber right now because it's rush hour. It's literally rush hour. An hour Uber and $70, and I'm like, yeah, no. I always feel bad leaving Charlie at night because this is like when she wakes up. Like the nighttime for me is the morning for her. And she's like expecting her treat. She's expecting attention, and I'm just leaving and I feel bad. I know she's a cat, but let's find Miss Charlie. I think she's back here. Charlie. There you are. So I just discovered that this battery is dead. Well, not dead yet, but it's like dying. And I just checked my other one because I thought that that one was charged, because why wouldn't I have charged it? And I put it in here, and that one was like more dead than this one. So they're both basically dead. I'm probably gonna have to, if my camera dies, be vlogging on my phone. Hopefully I get enough content that I even wouldn't like run out the battery. Whatever, I need to like stop stressing myself out about getting enough and just have fun. Like that's the point. Ugh, I'm so high strung. It's actually like annoying. I wanted to wear a rain jacket over this, but I A, don't have one with the hood, and B, I'm gonna be sweating my balls off. And yes, I did just say that I don't have a rain jacket with the hood. I know that's the stupidest thing that you've probably ever heard, and I also think it is. I'm pretty sure that the one jacket I have came with the hood, but I took it off for God knows why. This is basically just a windbreaker, no hood, but it'll be fine because I'll be underground for 45 minutes. This is just to protect the precious goods of this sweater, obviously. I need to go like now. I should have left 30 minutes ago, but I was still getting ready, of course. I have issues. Okay, I'm going to head to the subway and I'll talk to you guys when I get there, I think. All right, bye. We've been made drinks. Our hostess with the absolute mostest. Sugar cookie martini, and I think I don't know how to like, I was trying to burn out. I need a bar cart now, because look, I bought this. Guys, I've like blacked out so good. I got all this. How did you pop off like this? Are you serious? And I worked last night, so I like went and slept till 2 while Jose hung my TV. This mirror is everything. Cheers. Yes. I'll show you. That's gonna slay. This is so cute. Jingle with me, baby. I'm giving myself a tour of Anna's apartment. I'm not gonna show you guys because I'm gonna wait for her to show you. Well, I showed you the living room, but I won't show you anything else. But it's so cute. We just decided we're gonna play a game called we're all going to say our favorite Christmas gifts that we've ever received. Landon?
It's better than the other topic.
Yeah, let's not. Landon is going to go first.
Mine was when I was 7. I thought I was NFL bound, so I wanted a little NFL ladder where I could do like
you know, I like opened all my gifts and then my grandparents had it like hidden away. And then I got it and it was the wrong type of ladder and I never told them, but I acted just as happy. And I still was not NFL bound.
Sorry, it's blurry. Okay, go ahead.
Christmas memory. The first one was to my whole family. I got a puppy when I was 5, a little yellow lab. No, it's not Charlie. His name was RC. I'm going to show you a picture because he's the cutest, best dog ever. And he was Charlie's big brother. He is no longer with us, but he lived to be 18 and he was the king of the world. And this is him and I.
Oh.
This was my favorite Christmas memory to my family. For Christmas gift to my family. My favorite personal Christmas gift was my dad got me an autographed guitar that Taylor Swift signed, and I cherish it, and if anything ever happens to it, it will crush my soul.
And in your will, it goes to?
In my will, it goes to Sam. If I die, everyone has to take pickleback shots at my funeral, and if you don't cry, you're out of there. You heard it here first.
This is my favorite gift.
Yeah.
Okay, when I was like 5, my parents got me a cat. And I know, it was really cute.
I know the story.
And I wanted the cat to look exactly like me, so it had to be like blonde with blue eyes. I was 35 and I said I want it to be like my twin. So they got it for me for Christmas and I named her Puff. Oh, and it had to be a girl, obviously.
Obviously.
Because like I'm a girl. I've known my whole life. This cat like grows up with me. In 7th grade one day, I'm sitting in the car waiting for my mom to like drive me off from school, and I hear her talking to her friend, and she was like, "Puff is sick. We need to take him to the vet." And I was like,
"What?"
And so I like perk up, and I was like, I like open the door and keep listening. And then she was like, "Oh yeah, we told Mackenzie her cat's a girl. It's actually a boy." She like has no idea, and like still doesn't know till this day.
Your whole life, they
My whole
gas
life.
with you.
And then when I was like 13, I found out that Puff was a boy. And then Puff passed away.
Did Puff get hit by a car?
Yeah, and then Puff I remember that story.
It's a good gift.
It was a tragic ending, but a great story.
Okay, the sweater is thrifted. So my story isn't as interesting as the previous 3 stories, but I remember this like it was yesterday. I don't remember how old I was. I really, really wanted a pink Game Boy Advance SP. Are you good?
It didn't work.
What are you doing?
Just not even close.
We woke up at like 4 a.m. That's another thing about my family is my brother and I, when we were younger, got so excited.
Oh
to
yeah.
open presents. We would force our parents to get up at 4:30 in the morning.
What are you saying?
Look at this little.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Look at the
yes,
vibes.
to open a bottle of wine.
No, to fucking the wine in question. You're gonna have so much fun when you watch this back. Hey, future Hannah, I hope you're having a good day.
Anyway, we would wake up at 4:30 in the morning. I love that we changed locations. This is so
I
professional.
wanted to show the vlog the vibes. And this fancy mirror also.
I opened up a present and it was a Game Boy Advance SP.
Aww. Oh.
A game for it. So in that moment, I hadn't even opened the actual device, but I opened the game and I knew, I was like, why would I receive from Santa a game for a system I don't have? You know what I mean?
A mean prank.
Right. That would be so f***ed up. So I opened the game, I read what it said and that it was for the Game Boy Advance SP, and I screamed.
Happy or?
Happy.
Aww.
Jumping up and down, like cheering, like jumping around the living room. I remember this so vividly. I knew I got it. I don't know when I then opened the actual thing, but eventually I did find the present that was the Game Boy Advance SP in pink as I wanted, the one of my dreams. And then I remember also, I was so excited to play the game. We were on our way to church and I was playing my game on the way to church. I remember being the happiest that I've probably ever felt in my entire life.
Still to this
And I don't
day.
think I'll ever feel that ever again.
Here.
Maybe one day. This is how she feels about Harry Styles.
But I think she's having trouble.
Y'all saw that here first.
Go.
I got sent to Camp Woodward. It's in Pennsylvania.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Woodward?
Yeah, it's not a skating one.
No, my brother went to Woodward, but like we sent him there for like being a bad kid.
It's like a cheerleading camp. Landon?
Okay, maybe a different Woodward.
It was tumbling, like we would like have sections of the day, like 3-hour tumble section, 4-hour tumble section, 6-hour tumble section. You go sleep in these like bunks with like mattresses, like cheer mattresses.
How old were you?
11 bunks in one. I think I was like 14.
Hi.
Oh my god, you look like you just showered.
When Landon got me a scrapbook of my study abroad, with all my pictures and moments documents. His little nod, he's like, yo.
I forgot about that. That was a good gift.
That was good.
What if like you just announced you guys got engaged? You know, when Landon proposed.
When Landon.
Oh my god.
A rock.
Your hand.
Okay, I'm sitting, I'm set. We're playing Priorities. It's a card game. We basically get 5 cards. Each person gets different cards and then everyone else has to guess what their rank is. And then for the ones you get right, we're spelling out priorities. We have to spell it before we finish the circle or we lose. We literally just all guessed Landon's exactly.
I'm a predictable human.
But anyway, that's what we're doing. Stay tuned, it's my turn. I'm really excited. I'll let you guys know.
I haven't seen this guy.
I'll let you guys know how they do with my picks. My camera just died. Sorry, that was very abrupt. But I'll show you guys what cards I get. Guys, these are my cards.
I know that's.
Everyone, pause this video, take a second, and write down in order
you think Hannah would rank.
what you think they would be from best to worst, and I'll tell you what everyone gets and what I say. Okay, go.
I want them to like. Jimmy's never been in New York.
Okay.
We can't decide if she'd think like mankini because Harry Styles, like yes.
Has Harry Styles ever worn a mankini before?
I think she likes that better than that.
Being
Like I almost think.
self-obsessed.
No, I don't think she likes being self-obsessed, but I think
But,
she
like,
likes it
more
more
than
than
men.
any
I don't
men-related
know. I
object.
feel like she'd do this for the gag. Like she'd be like, slay, serve your mankini.
Does she like regular cheese?
I think she
Yeah.
likes
Yeah, like
You're
she's
eating the
fine.
cheese
She's
board.
fine with cheese.
True.
Spray cheese
Spray
enough
cheese
to
is
put
different.
second.
But spray cheese is better than all of these, is my thought.
But I really feel like
I mean-
mankinis.
Yeah, I feel like it was last. She likes Clemson.
What does that have to do with
Why
I
did
don't
I think
think
spray
so.
cheese?
Self-love is good, girls. You girls at home, you should love yourself.
Maybe this could be second.
I feel like second, but she wouldn't say it second because she's humble.
No, but she's
Oh, Autumn.
These are weird
They're
ones.
random ones.
Okay, let's think like which she hates less. Like how you thought of it.
I'm gonna be honest. I think this is it, but I think we can keep talking
I
about
don't
it.
think spray cheese is.
I don't think spray cheese.
I almost
would
think
flip
these two could sleep.
I would flip.
I think it's like the
I would
lesser
as
of
well.
two.
Let's do
Let's
it.
flip these.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
I agree.
This game is so much fun.
Should we put this?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's a neutral. Okay,
But
I think.
Do we
Probably
really
not be
think she
number
hates
2.
pickup trucks?
Why
anyway?
would you hate?
But she loves Clemson.
Wait, but
But
she's
she-
from
but
Philly.
What does that have to do?
Oh yeah, she's from Philly. And
What
they
is
just
Philly?
spray.
I'm not from Philly.
Pennsylvania.
She
It's
likes
all the
Philly.
same
She likes
Pennsylvania
Philly.
as
What did they?
Spray
So
cheese on
different
all
than
of
where I
Sushi
grew up.
steak. We just learned that.
Mi-
You're on to something there.
She said we're on something. She said we're on
Wait, why?
Yeah.
No, they just said Philly cheese. I don't like that much, but. But you guys were on. You had a good thought though.
I still like
It's something I didn't think you would think of.
I
The Philly thing?
What's a man?
Though the spray cheese because you put it on a Philly cheesesteak.
I don't think she was thinking about Harry when
Yeah, but
when
this
it first
has a
came
very
out.
negative connotation. I think we should keep it here.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right.
Lock it.
That was
All
my
right.
guess.
Okay, I'm just gonna do this as dramatic as possible,
Okay.
and I want to read them. I want to read them.
We all do not.
Number one is pooping.
We're off.
If you switched these two, you'd be right.
Oh.
Self-obsessed was 2.
So-
Spray cheese was 3. I wrote because on cheesesteaks.
Yeah.
Yep. And then mankinis, I just put indifferent. Pickup trucks is last because it makes me think of my exes.
Good. I like that.
So you guys got those
What
two.
did we get? We got the.
You got an RIOITIES.
So that one's.
Yes, that's a wash.
When you were here.
All the fun we had last year. Happy birthday, dear Lyndon. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Make a wish first. So I'm gonna start shedding tears. It's the eyebrows, I think.